How to create a community in WhatsApp Business. So the first thing you want to do is go into your WhatsApp Business app. From here, you should see a few tabs at the bottom. You should show updates, calls, tools, chat, and settings. You want to go into the chats, and in the top right-hand corner, you want to click the pen. From here, it will ask you if you want to add a new group, new contact, new broadcast, select new group. Here, you want to choose the contacts you want to add to the group. You then want to go to the top right-hand corner and select next. From there, you want to give your group name. You could call it whatever the group's going to be affiliated with. And on the left-hand side, you can then add an icon or a picture. Once you're happy with the group name, you can then select Create in the top right-hand corner. Give it a minute, and that's how you create a community in WhatsApp Group Business.